Christmas, here I am, boy. Gotta love you, gotta give you all I can, boy. Merry Christmas, here I am, boy. I'm the present and you know it, here I am, boy. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas,
You guys, we just had a huge, you might not be able to see it, huge winter storm out in the Carolinas. Look at that. You can hear it right now. All the snow is melting. Probably going to melt a lot by tomorrow. Like, look at this. It's, might not be able to see this, but it goes all the way to, like, it goes a lot to my, almost to my knees. That's how much snow is out here. Wow. Beautiful.
So right now I am wrapping a present up, and yeah, I really forgot how to wrap up a present before. Like, I forgot how to wrap a present, and I just didn't feel like, you know, looking it up. So your girl, she did pretty good, you know, for not looking it up and learning how to wrap a present again. I did pretty good, you know. So yeah. Yep. So please stay tuned, and after I'm done, I'll put this present under the tree. So yeah, we are in Ollie's shopping, looking cute or whatever. My sister is over there, but I'm not gonna film her because she doesn't like to be filmed, okay? So everybody that's wondering what Selena looks like, you will never know. No. Okay, y'all, so I just blow dried my hair for the first time in a whole year, and I'm regretting it. I still have much to blow dry because that's stiff. But anyway, I am regretting this. Like, I haven't blow dried my hair in a whole year. Or like even put heat on it. So this is weird to me. So stay tuned for my pressed out hair. Jesus, let's hope my curl pattern is still on point. Let's hope it's still on point. But anyways, love you guys. Okay, y'all, I know I look a hot mess, but bear with me. This is how I look. Yes, I was crying. How I look after I watch like a great Korean drama. Y'all, you know a Korean drama is good when the 6th episode got you crying, happy tears. I'm just like, I just can't wait till the next episode. Cannot wait.
December comes, I bet you want to wrap me all up and take me home with you. See what I look like under them lights. We'll keep it quiet, whatever. I'm just trying to keep up.